Hello everyone. I want to know first, what do people think when they hear the words playing games? Yes, they usually imagine someone wasting time, sitting in front of their computer for hours, doing nothing productive. Well, I used to hear that a lot too. People keep saying that games are distracting, games make people lazy, games are just for fun. But the more I played games, the more I realized that something is more important. First, games are not only entertainment, they can actually teach us valuable life skills. Today, I want to share how gaming become more than just a hobby for me and why I believe games can help people grow. So, when I was younger, I played games simply because they were fun. All of my friends are playing games too. I like exploring worlds, completing missions, and competing with other players. But after spending more time gaming, I noticed that I was learning things without even realizing it. For example, games taught me problem solving skills. In many games, you cannot just simply succeed by just pressing buttons. You need strategies. You need to analyze the situations quickly and make the decisions under pressure. Sometimes you fail many times before finally winning. And honestly, that just feels a lot of like real life too. Games also taught me patience. There were moments when I lost again and again and again. Some levels took just hours to finish. Some matches were just frustrating. But instead of quitting, I kept trying again and again. Well, that mindset slowly became part of my real life too. When schools get difficult or when I struggle with something, I remind myself that improvement takes practice, just like in games. Another important thing gaming taught me is teamwork. In multiplayer games, you cannot just simply win alone. You need communication, trust, and cooperation. If one person refuses to work with the team, everyone will suffer. I think that lesson is very important because in real life, whether in school, future careers, or even friendships, teamwork matters everywhere. Gaming also helped me connect with people. Sometimes people think that game just isolate us, but actually, games help me meet friends with similar interests. We shared experience, solve challenges together, and learn how to communicate better. For some people, gaming communication become places where they feel accepted and understood. Of course, I know gaming can become unhealthy if we lose control of our time. Anything done too much can become harmful, even good things. But I believe that the problem is not the gaming itself. The real issue is balance. Games are just for tools, and like any tool, they can be used positively or negatively depending on the persons using them. Today, the gaming industry is also much bigger than many people realize. Games are connected to technology, storytelling, art, music, business, and even education. Some games are now used to teach history, language, language, and critical thinking skills. Professional esports player, game developers, streamer, programmers, and designer have turned gaming into careers. What used to be called just playing games is now part of one of the biggest industries in the world. But for me personally, game is not mainly about competition or careers. It is about growth. It taught me resilience. It taught me strategy. It taught me teamwork. And sometimes it even taught me confidence. So, next time, when someone says that games are only just a waste of time, I hope people can see a different perspective, because behind every game they can be creativity, learning, friendship, and personal growth. And maybe hobbies are not just valuable because they make us productive, but maybe they are valuable because they help shape who we are. That's it from me. Thank you very much.